Hi guys, if you want to add more fonts or install custom fonts on Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So first of all, let's see how to change font style and size in Google Docs. If you want to change the font style or size of any paragraph or line, then first of all select them. Let's say you want to change the font style or size of this paragraph. So simply select it and then click on font here. And from here, you can select any font style you want. You can see. Let's say you want to select this font style. So simply click on it and the font style will be changed. And if you want to change the font size, simply click on the font size here. And from here, you can select any font size you want. And the font size will be changed. To change the font style, click here and select any font you want. And to change the font size, click on the font size and select whatever font size you want. You can see. And in case if you want to add more fonts to Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. On Google Docs, whenever you go to the font style, you will be able to see lots of font style. You can see. But if you want to add more fonts or different font style to your Google Docs, then simply click on this more font option. And now from here, you can add as many as font you want. To add the font, you have to simply select the font you want to add. You can see. And simply click on OK. And all the selected font will be added. To check it, go to font style and you can see all the selected font has been added. And if you want to add different font style, again click on more fonts. Now here click on scripts. And now from here you can select whatever font language you want. If you select the Arabic, you will be able to see the Arabic font. If you select the Chinese, you will be able to see the Chinese font. I want to select all script, so I will select the all scripts. And now from source section, you can select different font style. If you select the display, you will be able to see bigger and bolder font style. You can see. And if you select the handwriting, you will be able to see all the cursive font style. You can see. Similarly, if you select monospace, you will see different font style. And now from here, you can sort the font by popularity, alphabetical order, date added and trending. Let's say I want to add the trending fonts. So I will simply select the trending and all the trending fonts will appear here. And from here, you can select any font you want. Let's say I want to select this font and this. So after selecting, click on OK. And you can see the selected font has been added. Similarly, if I go to more fonts and sort it by alphabetical order, then I will be able to see font in alphabetical order. And from here, I can select whatever font I want. Let's say I want this font. I will select it. I will select this. Also this. And once you select whatever font you want, simply click on OK. And the selected font will be added. You can see all the selected font has been added. And now you can use these fonts in your Google Docs. For that, simply select the paragraph or line and then click on font. And from here, select the font you want. Let's say this. If you want to change the font size, click here and select the font size. And the font size has been changed. You can see. And if you want to select different font, again select the paragraph, click on the font and select different font. Let's say this. And the font will be changed. And in case if you want to install custom fonts on Google Docs, then for that, simply go to extensions and click on add-on and then click on get add-ons. Now here in the search box, tap extensions fonts and press enter. Now here you will see the extensions fonts add-on. Simply click on it. And here you can see if you install this add-on, it allows you to use 1400 Google fonts, which you can use on your Google Docs and Google Slides. So to use this add-on, simply click on this install button here, select your account, click on continue, and then allow the access. And once this add-on has been installed, simply close it. And now refresh your Google Docs. And now to use the custom fonts from the add-on, simply go to extensions. And here you will be able to see extensions font. Simply click on it and then click on start. And now in the right side here, you will be able to see all the extensive font. You can see. If you want to sort the font by font style, simply click here, and from here you can select the font style. Either you want the display font style or handwriting font style or whatever you want. I want the display font style, so I will select the display, and all the bold and bigger font will be here now. Similarly, if you want to sort the font by alphabetical order or by popularity, then simply click here, and from here you can select alphabetical, date added, or by popularity or by trending. Let's say I want to sort the font by popularity, so I'll simply click on it, and now all the popular font will be available here. And if you want to apply any of these fonts, simply select the paragraph and click on the font, and your font style will be changed. Let's say I want this font, so I'll simply click on it and the font will be changed. You can see. So you can easily change the font style from here. And if you want to change the font size, click here and select different font size, and the font size will be changed. And whenever you want to change the font style, simply select any font style you want and then click on it, and the font style will be changed. If you want to apply any of these fonts on all pages available on your Google Docs document, then simply press the Ctrl+A key and all the text will be selected. Now from here, simply select any font you want. Let's say I want this font, so I will simply click on it, and this font will be applied on all the pages. You can see. And if you want to increase the font size, simply click here and select the different font size. Let's say I want this, and the font size will be changed. You can see. So that's it, guys. This is how you can easily add more fonts or install custom fonts to Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.